All right, let's look at how to add your photo to your homepage. So I am going to first start and find my photo that's on the web. And I just searched for a school website, for example. So I'm going to scroll down and I am going to right click on the image. And I have some different options. The first one we'll look at is a copy image address. So I'm going to click copy that address. I'm going to come back to my Google site. Let's say I want to add it right in here. I'm going to double click, add an image, and I'm going to search by the URL. So I can just paste it in. Oh, there it is. There's the picture. It's already selected for me. Click the blue select button and boom, it is in there. The only issue would be with this picture or image is that if anything were to happen on this site here, if it were to be erased, that link would be broken. So I'm going to show you another way of doing this. So let's come back over here. Let's delete that image. It's gone. Now I'm going to come over and I'm going to right click on it and say save image as. So I'm going to save that image. I could save it to my desktop, my documents, download somewhere. If you have Google File Stream installed, then I can save it directly to my Google Drive. So I'm going to select on Drive. I'm going to select a folder. I believe I have one called images that I could just dump things in. Here we go, images. Open up that. And now I am going to type in, give it a name. There we go, give it a good name and save it. So you'll see it is now being saved to my Google Drive. Excellent, which means it's being published to the web. So I can come back to my Google Drive. All right, anything we upload to Google Drive will have a link to it, a URL, web address. So I'm going to double click. I'm going to add that image, but this time I'm going to select from Google Drive. Then I can go ahead and search for that, open up that folder. Oh, no, wrong folder. Go open up the right folder. And then I can click on the image that I want, come down and click the select button, and there it is. The benefit of going this way of saving that image to your Google Drive and then using it from the Google Drive to your site is that if anything were to happen to the other website over here, if I were to switch schools and this link were to be broken, that's not going to happen here because it's on my drive. The only way it's going to be broken is if I were to delete that file from my Google Drive. So that's a better way of doing it. Then again, I can go through and I can shrink it down if I want to. And there you have your photo on your website.